let's take a look at a between normal distribution problem. So we have the annual rainfall in a certain region is approximately normally distributed with the mean. So we have the mean of 42.4 inches, and the standard deviation is 5.6 inches. That was a little sloppy. That's a little better. Round the answers to the nearest tenth of a percent. So we'll go to percentage, then round to the tenths. Okay, what percentage of years will have an annual rainfall between 39 inches and 43 inches? Now, we can look up the z-scores. Let's see, the z-score, trying for my eraser, there we go. The z-score of 39 inches, this would be 39 minus 42.4 divided by 5.6. And then we also need the z-score of 43. This would be 43 minus 42.4 divided by 56. So let's, 5.6. Let's work these out with our calculator first. See what we get. So we have 39 minus 42.4 divided by 5.6. Next, negative. Now for a z-score, we need 2 decimal places, so I'm only going to round to 2 decimal places. This is a problem here. We're approximating, and so our z-score table will not be exactly the right answer. It will not lead us to the right answer, but this is all we can do is 2 decimal places for a z-score, negative 0.61. Again, the reason why we're stuck with 2 decimal places is all the z-score tables have 1 decimal place in the down column and the 2nd decimal place along the side. So along the top we can only use 2. Alright, so let's work out also the 43 z-score, 0.11. So now we're going to look these values up on our z-score table. Now we have a positive z-score table up, so I'll look up the 0.11 now. 0.11 is 0.5438. And the negative z-score table I have here, negative 0.61. Negative 0.61 is right. Oh wait, that's 60. 61. Double check. 61. There we go. Negative 0.61 is 2709. 0.2709. Now, what we're dealing with is this probability from the z-score, the 54.38%, is everything to the left of us 43 inches. And 0.2709 is everything to the left of 39 inches. If we subtract these, the large one minus the small one, we'll find the probability of being in between these 2 scores of 39 and 43 inches. So we have 0.5438 minus 0.2709. 0.2729. So this is 27.29%, which they asked us to go to the nearest tenth of a percent right there, so we get 27.3%. Now to verify this with the calculator has a lot of nice things about it. Boy, English is not always my strong point. CDF, normal CDF. We put the left value, which is 39. We put the right value, which is 43. We tell it the normal, which is 42.4, the mean, and then we tell it the standard deviation. And it will find the probability between these first 2 scores given that normal information. 27.07. So We got as close as we could get with the table, 27.3%. We now see the exact answer being 27.07, rounded to the 10th, 27.1%. We cannot get the exact answer with the z-score tables, but we get really, really close. And since you're allowed a z-score table on the test, on the final, both, you will get credit for either of these answers. You see how quick. You would just basically write down for your work, you'd write this down on your test, normal CDF, parentheses 3.9, comma 43, comma 42.1, comma 5.6, parentheses equals that. And that's your work, because you're having your tool that you are allowed on the test to do the work for you. So it's nice if you have this calculator, but we don't train you on this calculator in class because we want to make sure you know how to use the z-scores tables, because that's what you will always have available. You can look these up. You can't easily look up this calculator. All right, I hope this helps.